All right, let's take a look at the BMS250 sharpener from Woodmizer. Dust is included. This is the unit, a well-used unit. As you can see, we use this all the time. I've put through 20, 30,000 blades probably through this machine over the years. She's still doing really, really nicely. How does it operate? It has this cam, as you see, rotates around, pushes this pushing type thing, and also raises the motor, which has the wheel spinning at the same time, and the wheel's bathing in this oil, which is being pumped with that pump right there. And this is what you want to see, a very light cut on the face. It's doing the bottom grind at the same time, and also on the back grind here, you can see we have a light grind there too. So we're actually grinding the entire face as well. Oh no, that's not a good tooth. You don't want to see that. We don't see that too often. I wonder what happens. So that's before sharpening. We come over to this side here. See if I can get a good shot of it for you. After sharpening. Now we get about 3 or 4 sharpens per blade. The teeth have a set to them. So one's bent to the left, see? Right, and then straight. Left, right, straight. And as you sharpen them, that set actually goes away. So you're only going to get so many sharpens out of it. Like I said, 3 to 4 before you either have to set the teeth or your blade's no good. So you need to decide upon your cost. And I gotta shut her down now. We're pretty much back to where we started. All right, we just got another blade put in. Now you can put a magnet on the back of the blade, and it has a sensor in there that I can shut it down. But honestly, I just never use that. I just pay attention. I like being here, listening to the blade, visually looking at it, making sure everything is working how I want it. And that's pretty much working how I want it. Sorry for the loud noise. Look at these beams that we're cutting. So our blades are dulling pretty quick. They're pretty sandy, dirty beams. They are reclaimed out of the Welland Canal, which is local to us here in Ontario, Canada. And I also, I gotta get these, supposed to wipe off all the oil, but as you see, it does drip. So I try to get these pails under exactly where it's dripping the most. And I'm gonna put that oil back in. See if we can, oh, caught that drip. So this is another blade going around and around and around. I better sign off. Thanks for watching. Like I said, this is the Woodmizer BMS250 sharpener. It's paid for its weight in sharp blades. I don't know if that's how you say that kind of thing, but I gotta go. I think this blade's almost done.